Hey everyone, welcome to our detailed guide on how to remove your Snapchat call history. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on your Bitmoji icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it to access your settings. This is where you'll find various options to customize and manage your Snapchat account. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Privacy Controls. Within this section, you'll see an option called Menu. You'll find several options to clear different types of data. For our purposes, tap on Clear Conversations. This will bring up a list of all your recent conversations. To remove the call history for a specific conversation, simply tap on the X icon next to the conversation you wish to delete. Confirm your choice when prompted, and Snapchat will remove the call history for that particular conversation. And there you have it. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.